Yeah, like that just changed for a second. What's up, guys? It's Crimson 60620, and I'm here and I'm playing Elite Dangerous for the night. I'm doing some commentary. God, I gotta be a new chair, but doing some commentary tonight, and want to thank everybody who's watched. Who for the next few weeks, I'm gonna be working from home. They sit me home with a computer, and it's kind of interesting. I was kind of having a conversation when they were trying to, keep everybody calm and just like, hey, this is something that's going to blow over and all that other good bullshit. And it's just like, the supervisor manager that came in charge, is in charge of trying to get everything organized. He came in and was like, yo, everything is okay? And I actually said it. I'm like, this shit isn't okay. And I actually didn't say shit about it. I said, this isn't okay. I mean, like, when you look at what's going on, when you look at the situation of the fact is, all of these bad things have been determined and been uncovered. The problems with our economy, the problems with our... And you know what? Let's just pull this full screen. Hi. How are you guys doing? It's me, Crimson. Let's have a little bit of a rant here. And I know I've been doing this for the last couple of days. God, it's been a week since I've actually done a full video. And I'm sorry for that. I've been going through a lot of personal things. Hey, if you want to help me out, you can go to my Streamlabs page and actually donate. But I've been going through a lot of personal things. Dealing with a lot of things. And a lot of hard shit. And it's been very unique, very different of having to deal with just the amount of bullshit. And of course, this video isn't going to get monetized anytime soon, unless you guys, share and subscribe and all that other good bullshit. But just been doing a lot of bullshit recently. Things that will question my financial existence and effectively make it where I may be having to make a lot of more hard choices than what I've had to make within the last 2 years now. And it kind of fucking sucks. And it's just one of those things where it's just like, because we have such a broken system, where somebody like myself, they can work 40 or sometimes more hours per week, still struggles to find the basics of, support or things to be able to sustain life. Not really a super comfortable life, but just enough to try to make it through. And failing miserably. And it's kind of sad. And fun part about it is, I, as an artist, somebody who draws, I actually worked on some art today. Somebody who draws, who actually comes up with interesting characters and trying to market and sell, my babies, where I work on them and actually try to give them personality, still struggles with things like, conventions, art conventions, anime conventions, art conventions, D&D conventions actually come up and get canceled for a elitely dangerous virus. Not really dangerous, it's an upper respiratory infection that can lead to other respiratory infections. But something this relatively common can lead to such a breakdown of just our overall system. Lets me know that there's a problem. You know what the real problem with COVID-19 is? Not that it's very lethal or that it's horrible, disfiguring, and the fact that it can mutate to something else. fucking problem with this fucking virus is that it's relatively easy to treat. However, because we work on a privatized healthcare system, the things that we need, like drugs or, I don't know, respirators, companies are so in tune with trying to make a profit that they don't overstaff or they don't oversupply themselves. They're doing just enough to get by. That's why they're trying to bend the curve. Watch the number of infections. Not that you can't recover from COVID-19. It's just that it's like trying to flush too much toilet paper down the toilet after you took a really whiny shit. And you know what happens? Sometimes it gets clogged. Now, am I making an analogy that our healthcare system itself is shit? That it gets clogged up with shit? Yeah, I am. I'm not even gonna lie. But that's only because we make it that way. I have been a staunch Bernie Sanders supporter. And yet still you get these people that talk about, I don't have time for a revolution. You were locked in the house quarantined for 14 days. How's that time for that revolution going now? Yeah, this is a little bit of a rant. It's a very little bit of a rant. I don't know what to tell you guys. I get the opportunity to work from home. The only status because, I'm not making money that a lot of other people make from home actually. Only the status of working from home. I wish I was part of the PMC, professional managerial class, but I'm not. It's a grunt that effectively is little more than a telemarketer. I swear to God, I'm gonna do a video. I'm definitely gonna do a video. I'm gonna do my weekly skits. I'm gonna add less skits, but my weekly breakdown of several different videos. But this shit right here, I don't know what to tell you. I am one of those people that is $400 away from a very bad time. And I had that when my car broke down and I needed to put money down for a new one. And now I'm fucked. I am truly fucked. It's fun because I do have a parent that's still alive. But she's about to get laid off because of downsizing. Even before this shit happened. I literally have my back against the wall. But it's not just me. Hundreds of thousands of millions of people have their back against the wall. There are people who are just struggling because people don't care the fuck enough to understand that other people are hurting. Do we all have issues where we get caught up in our own well-being more than other people? Yeah, of course. It's called being a fucking human. But the reason why we're not still on those fucking planes in the savannah in northern Africa is because we can't fucking work together. And that's what we need to do, people. You know that there are people that used to dog Sanders for proposing free college. That's socialism. People that oppose, food stamps and shit. That's socialism. There are motherfuckers who actually used to make fun of Venezuela. Lines buying toilet paper. What the fuck is toilet paper? I ain't seen that shit since 1986. Nah, I'm joking. I actually had to buy me 2 rolls to kind of last the payday. Not 2 rolls, 2 packs of rolls to last the payday. Because that's how hard fucking life is for a lot of people. And I tell you something. Tell you something that's really, really fun. I'm a little selfish because not only do I want it, because one reason. People should have a human right to having housing, food, and some sort of way of expressing themselves through either word, creative expression. But if you get that, I get that. Yay! Yeah. So guys, I just don't know what it is now. It is one of those things where it's just like, we as a people, we need to start doing fucking better. We need to do a lot better. This was just somebody. The house is old and dilapidated. Somebody just kicked the door in, and the fucking foundation shook. We need to go to UBI. We just need to. Fuck what you're talking about. We need to go to UBI. Fuck it. How are we gonna pay for it? The same way we just paid for the motherfucking $1.5 trillion. That we're just giving to Wall Street. Oh, they're gonna pay it back. Fuck you, pay me. And on top of that, $700 billion in quantitative easing. Wait, Obama was a socialist because he followed the advice of the banks and gave $834 billion. He was socialist for that. We just gave 2.2, and still they want another $1 trillion. Another $1 trillion fucking dollars to give corporations blowjobs out. Blowjobs. I mean, trillions of dollars. And yet and still, oh boy, it gets better. They're trying to argue whether to give, everyday Americans like you and myself, either $1,000 or $2,000. So one time, hey, fuck you from the government, because we could have did this sooner. But isn't that socialism? Fuck yes, it's socialism. And everybody who hates it can suck on a whole bag of gummy penises. You want to know why? Because they're billionaires. So fuck them, pay me. You just want to take their place? No. I wouldn't want to be a billionaire. Because pitchforks are fucking coming. I just want to be able to motherfucking support my life, have my apartment, make sure that I pay my bills. Oh yeah, and not have to live on fucking credit. But, that's too much to fucking ask, right? You should pick yourself by your bootstraps. Here, and let me throw them to you. Give you some social distancing. I'm fucking going crazy. I am fucking going crazy. Because this shit makes no sense. This shit literally doesn't make any sense. Because this was just the kick in the motherfucking door. It's not like somebody's coming in with the wrecking ball. That's shit that's been done for the last 30 years. And oh my God, we're on the edge of electing Joe fucking Biden, the senator from MBNA. The fucking racist. He's a fucking racist, and I don't care if you're African American. Hi, I am. But you ill-informed if you think that he's not. You're a low-information voter. You just like the fact that he was somebody who screwed us over with the banks, vice president. But he openly praised Strom Thurmond. He was just 8 months ago, we were on stage while Kamala Harris, yes, Queen Kamala Harris, literally said he was against busing. Now, mind you, she didn't care about busing because, if you didn't go to school, she was going to lock you up, especially if you're a black or brown person. But she was my skin complexion and she was a woman, so she needed to be there. Fuck you. Fuck cops. Fuck prosecutors that just arrest people because they're poor and let motherfuckers slide because they're rich. Hello, Kamala Harris. Introduce you to Steven Mnuchin? That motherfucker? Exactly. Oh, what? No, Cory Booker. Obama light. Literally. It's funny they make that joke in fucking Luke Cage. That was fucking funny. That was fucking awesome. The mayor of Jersey City, they ran in and saved a dog from a burning building? Yeah. The senator of Purdue Farmer or whatever the fuck. Oh, or better yet, the non-Native American got fired because she was pregnant, because that was a lie. Elizabeth Warren, which is actually great because she's actually really, really good for fucking, standing up for, poor people when it's politically expedient. I'm fucking ready. Fuck it, I'm at home. You guys get to suffer because I can do this. It's my YouTube, Twitch, and Facebook channel. And I'll get to the game in a minute, but yeah, I get to do this. This is my event. Have fun. Here's your big, ugly baby. How long have I been ranting? I've been ranting. Oh, God, I've been ranting for about 20 minutes. One good downside to it, I can, you guys don't know if I'm, necking under here or not. Tell you the truth, I'm not. I got full clothes on. But it actually is cool because I feel like I'm sitting behind a news desk. So, yay for me. But, yes, let's continue. Alright, our first video is going to be, talking about economic instability.